Good morning student, class 5th, subject science, part 5th. I am your science teacher Ari Kumar. Now here we will discuss here about the written point. Here you will see first is holiday homework, checking and explanation. Already holiday homework point written as that now here in front of you. You will see carefully. And second, we will discuss revision test lesson number 1 and 2, answer key also written. First of all, you will read carefully revision test. You will give the test in front of your parent, and after checking you will check and match from given answer key. See the observe, my dear student, we will discuss one by one here as given point of view. See the observe one by one. Okay, here first point already written, holiday homework. Second is revision test. So one by one we will discuss. First of all, here you will see one point holiday homework, checking, explanation. Holiday homework already given. I hope all of you had seen, and I hope all of you had done also. Some students those are not done, please complete given work. It is very helpful for examination time. Before examination you will study according to given topic. It is very helpful for first UT test. See the observe now here. Okay, so some noted point also written. You will read and carefully observe. Now first point we will discuss here, draw, label and picture show the systematic circulation of blood in the human body. So it's mean that now if you will see, yes, already given page number 10. Okay, yes. So first of all you will see and observe and write down, and draw first of all and observe and write down according to hint here as that given in a bracket. See that second point, discuss the way to keep your heart healthy. Okay, so do you understand all of you? But it is very important. First of all you will read the given hint in a bracket written, page number 2 already written this comment, and you will see and observe with the help of study point from the lesson already written in your book. Okay, according to hint. See the observe. Okay, and yes, so I hope many students had done also, but those are not done, so please complete and send to my personal chat box. See the next third point, discuss the importance of eating balanced diet. So without balanced diet life will not possible. And yes, so first of all it is very important, we will survive without disease. So you will use always balanced diet. So according to that already many students had done given question. Already hint is written, page number 30. This type of yes comment also written. So according to that, so already previously I had discussed. So you will see the observe and give the answer properly in holiday homework copy. 4 point, why does a doctor take an x-ray of a bone? Page number 15 already written this comment. See the observe, already previously I had discussed. So I hope you will give already given, many students had done holiday homework according to this question, answer already replied. So I hope you will give those students yes. Okay, not done, please give the proper answer. Fifth point, what is the sternum? So page number 16 already given point, comment also written here. See the observe, you will observe, previously I had discussed, according to that you will observe, proper study, this question answer you will give, this question answer you will give properly and with proper way. 6. Learn the lesson number 1 and 2, all exercise and question answer with the diagram, my dear student. Okay, so if any doubt, any discussion, if you want to send to me my personal chat box on my live class. Yes, my dear student, send the message. So I will reply you one by one. Particular student, those are already given the here point of view related. Any problem, I will give the reply. So you will send the question my personal chat box. Okay, see the observe. So I hope many students had done the holiday homework. Yes, those students had done, click the photo and send to me my personal chat box on live class. Okay, thanks to all. See the observe, my dear student. So please complete given question related to point of view already written is here. See the observe and write down proper answer in holiday homework copy. See the observe and lesson number 1 and 2 you will prepare all question answer with diagram for first UT test. See the observe, my dear student. Now second point, see the observe revision test. Lesson number 1, the circulatory system, and lesson number 2, the skeleton system. We will discuss here, okay, as a revision test for practice before first unit test. See the observe. Yes, this is your class test, class 5th, subject science, lesson number 1 and 2 related question answer already given. See the observe, all of you. Time also given is here, 30 minutes, maximum marks 20, time 30 minutes and maximum marks 20. So you will observe already written in front of question. See the observe, first question, fill in the blanks. First, the space joint is found in the elbow and knee. So should be write down properly the proper answer. B, empty space also given is here. Give blood, it's the red color. So should we write down proper answer, empty space. Second, this question is 4 marks. Second, tick the correct answer. This question 6 marks. You will see here the A, food rich in calcium. Yes, first is bread, second is dairy product, third is dal, and fourth is, you will see here all of them. So which answer is correct should be write down and tick the marks properly. Yes, in written comment. See the in front of you will see already here written. B, blood cell include A, first RBC, second WBC, third platelets, and for all of them. See the observe, which answer is correct should be write down, take the correct mark also. You will see third C, second question, C part, sub part C, blood vessels are first arteries, second veins, third is capillaries, fourth is all of them. So which answer is correct should be tick mark and write down properly. Third question, write true or false. A, plasma is a yellow fluid. If comment is correct should be true in box, empty box, and if comment will be wrong, so should be write down yes false. B, WBC help in blood clotting. So should we write down in empty box? If yes, comment is correct, should we write down true, and comment will be wrong, should we write down false. See the observe according to that. Third question, subpart C. Two bones are held together by ligament at a joint. See the observe. Yes, the correct answer. Yes, true or false should be write down in empty box. Yes, you will see now here. Answer the question. Answer the question. Question number 1. Name the 3 type of blood cell. Write their function. Okay. Yes. Question number 2. Distinguish between movable and immovable joint. Should explain and should be write down proper comment from the related question as that written is here. See the observe, my dear student. Okay. So it is very important for you. You first of all you will read and observe carefully. 5 minutes you will spend and then you will start test in front of your parent. Okay. Yes, my dear student, carefully, and after completed you will check properly and see match the answers. Key also given is here. See the observe. See the observe. So now here already I have explained here, discussed about the revision test. So now here I will show the revision test answer key, lesson number 1 and 2. See the observe, my dear student. Here already showed and discussed. So I hope do you understand. See the observe, give the answer properly. Yes, the revision test answer key also here you will see. Okay, my dear student. So after give an exam, check and match the answer key in front of your parents. It is very necessary for your good preparation, my dear student. Without answer key and supporting not possible better performance. So first of all you will give the revision test in front of your parent, and after all then completely given the answer, match the proper answer, and if correct answer give the proper way and check yourself and match the proper answer and send the marks on my personal chat box. So I hope do you understand. It is only practice for you, better performance. So you will check yourself for exam. See the observe. Question number 4 answer also written as that. Now here red color I showed here. Check the answer key. Okay, my dear student, it is very helpful for you. You will give the according to proper answer as it. That is better for you with practice. Thanks to my dear student. I hope do you understand. Complete your given work. Okay, as it my under my supervision and guidance. See the observe, my dear students. I will come in front of you. Yes, so all student, please complete the given work first of all according to me, holiday homework, and send to my personal chat box on live classes, on live class. And now here second you will give the revision test on revision test copy and click the image send to my personal chat box on live class. So I hope all of you student please complete. Some student already had done submitted, but some are not submitted. Please complete your holiday homework and send to my personal chat box. Thanks to all my dear student. Thanks to all. Take care. Thanks to all.